It's weird how bad fuel gets so quickly.
Oh, wow. Look at that thing.
It used to be able to, in 6 months, it looks like that already.
Wow.
Let's look around. This is always the nervous part. It can take a little bit to fill up those carburetors.
Okay.
We'll see. Starting to get some.
It's still drying?
Huh?
Still dry in there?
A little bit. It seems like it's starting to get some feeling. Oh. See? You don't have the chokes hooked up.
Ah, there you go.
Yeah. He was still in show mode. So let's hook those up.
Okay.
Because these really need the chokes to start.
Right.
Yeah, see, that starter business threw me off.
Yeah.
I thought, oh no, the starter doesn't work. It worked, but it sounded bad. Choke lever is quite a bit harder.
A little hard.
Oh, that's lots of chokes. Let's just try it there.
That is smooth.
I'm totally retarded, but
Oh, man.
I'm lined up. I don't see any oil pressure. So it's probably just the gauge on this end of it. Because it's not rattling. But there's a lot of oil flying around in there, so we're good. We're good. Okay. It's always scary when the gauge doesn't move.
Right? Man, that sounds smooth, Rob. There's like zero
Yeah.
vibration to this thing.
Yeah, it's nice. Stroke draw even still, so it's gonna run a little better now. And the transmitters are making all kind of noise.
Right?
And the transmitters are making all kind of noise.
Oh, okay.
It was real loud and sitting
It
here.
was.
So when I tapped on it, it went up, and I bet they see that. Oh yeah, see that? So the glass is touching the needle, or the frame is. Okay, good. There, I fixed it.
Yeah, it's like the Fonz.
That's too much. It said about 15, which is higher than they call for, but they like that again. You know, I'm actually going to back it down a little more since it's new. It'll perform better when it's up there a little bit. That'll work right there. These almost seem a little bit lean. That's pretty good because I didn't mess with the adjustment from wherever they sent them. Usually, they don't run this good.
Yeah.
A little bit of hesitation.
Yeah.
Because they are lean.
I see.
Down a little bit.
Yes.
And it takes them a few seconds to get acclimated. That there's a little button underneath there where I can raise the slide. So I just barely lift the slide up, and it lets a little more air, and I can tell if it's rich or lean.
Gotcha.
So if I lift this slide, that barely lift it, start to stumble, so it's lean still.
Lean.
If I lift it and it speeds up, then it was too rich because then I'm letting more air in.
Gotcha.
And they say when you get them perfect, and I've done it a few times, they make a little whistling sound. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Transmission's much quieter.
Oh, that feels great. That's crazy. I was worried about that because the bearings they didn't feel as bad as it sounded.
Right. It feels solid.
This thing's beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
See, the steering will be much more responsive now with the rack not sliding around.
Yeah. Doesn't shake a lot either, so it's nice. It's almost zero shakes in this thing.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna put some hydraulic clutch stuff in it. Might run out of clutch before we. Gonna kind of set the rings a little bit. So that puts a little back pressure and pulls the rings down the other way.
Okay.
So it seats them. Just a little bit of work, what a different car it is.
Doesn't it? A little bit of work, that's a lot.
Well, yeah.
For you, it's a little bit of work.
Yeah.